Everyone, my name is Preeti Sharma and today I have come up with amazing learning for you all on supplemental feed in Merchant Center to run Google Shopping apps. So today we will cover what is supplemental feed in Merchant Center, what is the use of supplemental feed, and how to update your product data in supplemental feed. So let's start. What is supplemental feed? So in short, supplemental feed is nothing but the secondary feed in product feeds. Okay, so what is the use of supplemental feed in Merchant Center? Supplement, as it is said, supplemental feed is the secondary feed. It exactly works the same. Like in case if you have forgotten any of your data to add in primary feed, then you can add those product details in supplemental feed. Let's say you wanted to add color or country or any of your product details or you any other product details column you desire to add in primary feed and you forgot, you can input those details in supplemental feed. I'll explain you the process how that Google crawler works in this. The process of Google is that while crawling your primary feed, if some of your required details Google doesn't find, then Google crawls to your supplemental feed which you have attached to that primary feed sheet. Okay, that link sheet. Let's take an example for this. My primary feed sheet name is bottles. Okay, while entering these details in primary feed, I forgot to enter the color of bottles. Okay, so what I'll do in supplemental feed, I'll add a sheet, whatever the name I can give as per my requirement, and I'll add two columns, one named as product ID and the another one as color. Okay, so guys, product ID is very important in supplemental feed because without product ID, Google will not be able to identify which product details Google has to crawl. So to make it more simpler for you guys to understand, let's go to the third step, how to update your product in supplemental feed. Guys, if you have, I would like to remind you all, if you have not seen my previous video on how to upload product in primary feed, do watch it because it will help you to understand this step in a better way. Okay, let's go to the merchant center now. So as you can see, my sheet name is TSB product and the previous one which we had created as the test. But test I had not fetched it. Reason is that product details I have already mentioned in this sheet. Okay. So I will open one. I will open this sheet first. I'm so sorry. I'll open this sheet first, and I will copy that product ID in which I wanted to add color. Let's take this one. So in this product ID, I want to add color. So what I'll do is I have copied that product ID, go to add supplemental feed. Okay, I'll just name whatever the feed name I want to add color. I'm just giving a dummy one. Continue. Continue. Okay. So guys, please note down one more important point. In case you want to add color in all your sheet, ensure that your product ID is right and you have not duplicated any product ID because that can cause a big issue. So in this step, either you add color in all your primary sheet like this, as there are many sheets here, or only in that particular sheet which you want to add. So I only want to add in this sheet, that is TSB products. Create feed. So now open this sheet. I'll open it. I'll, I'll give the name to that column. First is ID. And now I want to add color. So I will write color. The product ID which I had copied, I'll paste it here. and the color which I want to give to that product is brown. There we go. So only this much step is required, guys. Only this much data is required to input. And here, as I have attached, as you had seen, we have attached this product to that TSB product primary feed sheet. We'll close this now, and now we will fetch this. As usual, once you fetch, Google will take a little time to review it. Google is taking time. Anyways, Google will take time. I guess more 1 more 2 minutes. However, here this is okay. So it is done. We have successfully attached our primary feed TSB product sheet with add color sheet. Okay. Now what Google will do is when Google come to this feed sheet, that is TSB product, when I fetch this sheet, Google crawls this sheet. Google will also crawl to this sheet because I have linked this sheet with TSB products. Now guys, I want to show you one more important step, which is very important. In case you want to delete this sheet by mistakenly you have created, so you won't be able to directly delete it from here, as you can see the error message, right? So what you have to do is go to that particular sheet to which you have linked your supplemental feed. Click on feed rules. Okay, so now as you can see, I have created here. You have linked this add color sheet. Click on it and delete. Okay, click on save as draft. Click on apply changes here. So here we go. Here it is done. Okay, now you can go to your feeds and you will be able to delete now from here. Yeah, so all set. This is how supplemental feed work in Google Merchant Center, guys. I hope you have liked the video and learned something new today. I'm gonna bring more tons of knowledge for you all. Wait for my next video on shopping discount offer tags. Thank you for giving a valuable time for me. Bye bye.